Hey, what is up everybody? I am Jason and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. Alright, so in this video, we're going to talk about is Aurora, ticker symbol ACB, a junk stock? So Aurora Cannabis is the most popular stock traded on Robinhood, and it's actually also the most disappointing in my opinion. So Aurora stock has been having some trouble here, and on Friday, January 10th, 2020, during market close, Aurora stock was down 11.29% that day. So of course, with me being a YouTuber who talks about stocks, someone did ask me, if I was going to jump in on this stock, saying it's the lowest it's ever been, and am I going to jump on with everybody else? And of course, it got my interest. I had to investigate it, and I was curious because I've talked about ACB before, and so I was just interested in looking into it. So that's what I did. So the first thing that I'm going to get to in talking about this stock in this video is I'm going to get to the graph of the stock's performance here. So I drew this line on the graph, and the top part is March 18th, 2019, and that's when the stock was trading at $9.90. So going, basically 10 months going down at this very steep angle here, down to where we're at during the time I'm filming, we're trading at $1.65. So that's a pretty disastrous stock performance there, in my opinion. So for me personally, when I see something like this stock in particular, and people are having a lot of hype behind it, saying you got to jump on this, you're going to make money, blah, blah, blah. It's really easy math to know that 165 goes into 996 times. So in 10 months, that's a pretty big difference. So why would I want to invest in something that has that poor of a performance? I don't. So yeah, Aurora stock is the most popular stock on the Robinhood platform, and people are jumping in like crazy saying, hey, Aurora's at the bottom, it's bottoming out right now. But I'm sure a lot of people said that when the stock was $2 a share, when it was $3 a share. So who knows where that bottom is and how low are you going to go to get there? So enough about the terrible stock performance over the last 10 months. What about other things like the balance sheet? Well, that's bad too. The financials of Aurora are actually so bad that at least 3 analysts have said that they're not even sure that Aurora is going to be able to pay down their $360 million debt that is due August of 2021. And to add more insult to injury, at least 2 analysts have said that they have set a future price target of $1 to Aurora stock. I think a lot that has driven Aurora stock has been hype. Like when we heard about Coca-Cola and Aurora partnering to make a THC-infused beverage. Well, there was never a deal made on that product, and that was just empty hype. So over a year ago, I had traded stocks within this industry that Aurora is in, and I did make money off of it. But since then, I've noticed that this whole industry is nowhere near where it used to be. The value of a lot of these stocks have gone down a lot. So I'm very cautious when it comes to this whole industry, and I've just been staying away from it in general. But I am curious to know if anybody out there is invested in Aurora, and what are your thoughts on Aurora as well. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.